guys. With so much negativity around, it's really hard to think straight. So I have something for you to focus on rather than the news. I have some good music, good cinema, and good books for you. But if you want to change the environment, you have to give it a try. It just can't change if you just look at my video. So you'll have to watch those movies, you would have to listen to the songs and also read the books. And if it works for you, I guess it would work around the people whom you love or whom you care about. So you should keep on sharing. It's a circle. So just like I share with you, if it works for you, share it with your friends, family, and anyone around you. So I hope you like this video, and if it's relatable, do subscribe, like, comment, or share. So let's begin. So the most fun movie that you can watch right now is Big Daddy. It's a 99 flick. It is comedy, drama, and it stars Adam Sandler. Well, you got a reason now, don't you? So why I'm telling this movie, it's because it's laid back, it's easygoing. It has everything that a feel-good movie does.
New York. If you want to enter the greatest city on earth, first, you have to get by.
Great. Now what?
Now,
You wear a diaper?
Sonny Koufax is finding out.
Should I have a nightlight?
Nightlight?
Once you adopt a kid,
There you go, all right? No more wetness.
Big Daddy.
Man-child who tries to take care of a child to gain his girlfriend's trust back. But then he realizes the struggle of taking care of a child. It's not easy. It's not always laughing with the baby or rolling on the floor when the baby rolls or taking selfies. It's something really serious, like cleaning up where he pees, letting him make his cereal so the milk falls and spills, letting him eat ketchup because he likes it. Yeah, and taking care of someone is hard, especially when it's a child. So that's what it shows, and it's like a real struggle taking care of someone. Everyone might know now. He has used humor as the protagonist, I must say, and it's filled with laughter. And right now, a good laughter is all we need, don't we? Well, it's a great movie given how they take care of each other. It's really cute. And the character of Adam Sandler is a man-child, and it's quite relatable to us in many ways because we have such men around us, and it's quite true. Anyways, you should totally check it out. Particular outfit and their music is something that is good because of its overall quality, the lyrics, the production, and also the singer's voice. And they are none other than Kavish.
हौले हौले रातों को चुपके से आ जा रे निंदिया रे अखियों में समा जा रे निंदिया रे
The one who plays the guitar, his name is Maz Maudud, and Jafar Zaidi is the one who sings. And believe me, he's so good. I mean, his compositions and his vocals are really great. And the way he sings, it gives me that calm. His voice, it's so therapeutic that it tells you that don't worry, it's going to be alright. Seedha sadha music hai. And I guess that makes it different than the others. And I just want to tell you that you can find this band on Spotify, YouTube, or wherever you just search them. It's called Kavish. Do give them a listen. They deserve it. Many people love reading and many people don't. But believe me, this book is something which will convert you into an avid Ruskin Bond reader, if not anything. And being one for the readers, while I was growing up, I used to always connect or relate to the people who used to read, and I did not. So when I look back, I always wish I would read more. So I would know more about things, I would be more creative, my vocabulary would be better, and it's true. But as they say, it's never too late. I would suggest this book called A Book of Simple Living by Ruskin Bond. It is not a storybook, it is a book of collected wisdom throughout his life. It has these little paragraphs, and it is so beautiful because he talks about why he loves what he does, and the fact that he has shared his anecdotes about life, and they are not the same that we get bored about. He talks, I remember one thing where he talks about that there's nothing changed in his house but his sofa since last 20-30 years, because now his sofa is more soft because he's old and he likes comfort. I mean, who talks about all this? He's such a big writer. Can you imagine? That person is so humble and so down to earth. It's really nice. So once I remember I was reading one chapter from his book where I literally started crying because I realized that our lives are very alike in the way we live, and the fact that it was similar, it was so heartfelt because Ruskin Bond is one of my major influences, and it was the best moment that I would cherish with this book, and it was very nice. You know, this book is bound to change your life, your perspective about things, what you think about little things, and how much value you give to things which are not meant to. Yes, it will bring a major change if you try to alter it, and it will make it more easier and simpler. And as someone said, some simple things are the most difficult things to deliver because they are very simple. So why do we suggest all this? We thought that since we are relatable to so many, there might be a few who are like us. And what we thought was that we will share all the experiences that we loved with you. So do check them out and type your comments in the comment section, of course, and let us know how you find them. And we hope that it will, of course, help us grow our tastes in everything. And I hope we meet again after a few days. So till then, toodle!